Selamat pagi! Good morning guys, Kenneth here, and today I'm gonna show you a really quick tutorial on how to repair these two if they ever stop pairing to each other. So this is how you do it. Basically, you know you will have a problem when you see both of these available for pairing. You only want to pair on the right side, the left side should not appear, and the only thing that is blinking should be only on the right earbud. So basically the instruction is here on the manual book, but here I'm just gonna show you right now how to do it. First, you want to turn both of them off by putting them back into the case. Then you take both of them again, turn both of them off first. So I'm just gonna hold them for a couple seconds here and they will both shine red. And after that, you want to hold for longer. This is gonna be 20 seconds. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they're gonna turn off. Keep holding 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So basically when you get that kind of blinking, it means they are all paired together and they are off right now. So you will want to turn them back on again. You can just release them when they're blinking like that, and when you turn them on, basically you will have that fast blinking of white color, which means they are searching for each other and now they are paired. If you see the blinking white and red color on your right side, it means that you have successfully repaired them, and you can check it out by going to Bluetooth and you can see there's only one that shows up here. Congratulations! I hope this video helps. It's a really quick video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. Subscribe down below for more videos. I do reviews most of the time, but I also do this kind of quick tips and tricks to help you guys solve your daily problems. This is me, Kenneth, and I'll see you in the next one.